Another Math Olympiad question. So solve for x cubed minus 303 cubed minus 404 cubed minus 505 cubed equals 0. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's start. Since we only have one variable, so we have x cubed and then all are just number. So we can put everything, all of this number to the other side. So all negative, so therefore we all have positive when we put to the other side. So we have x cubed is equal to positive 303 cubed. Put this to the other side, we have positive 404 cubed. And then we have positive 505 cubed. And then we have common factor 303, 404, and 505. All are divisible by 101. So therefore, we can write this as 303. We can write that as 101 times 3. And then cube plus 404. So that is 101 times 4. And then cube plus 505. That is 101 times 5. And then cube. Distribute the cube. So we have x cubed is equal to 101 cubed times 3 cubed plus 101 cubed times 4 cubed. And then plus distribute the cube. So we have 101 cubed times 5 cubed. So factor out the common. All have 101 cubes. So factor out. So we have x cubed is equal to 101 cubed times 3 cubed plus 4 cubed and then plus the 5 cubed. Okay? So now, we can solve the value of x by extracting the cube root of both sides of the equation. So get the cube root of both sides of the equation. The cube root and the exponent 3 will cancel each other out. So therefore, x is equal to, we can distribute the cube root to this term and then to this term. Okay, so therefore, cube root of 101 cube, so that the cube and the cube root will cancel each other out. So we have 101 times the cube root of this term, 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So we can evaluate the 3 cube, 4 cube, and 5 cube. Okay, so let's rewrite first. 3 cube plus 4 cube and then plus 5 cube. We cannot cancel the cube and the cube root because of this positive sign. So all we have to do now is just evaluate the cube and then get the sum. Okay? So therefore, x is equal to 101 times the cube root of 3 cubes. So 3 times 3 times 3, we have 27 plus 4 times 4 is 16 times another 4, we have 64 plus 5 times 5 times 5, we have 125. So get the sum of this. We have x is equal to 101 times the cube root of, the sum of this is equal to 216. And 216, that is perfect cube, that is equal to 6 cube. Okay? So we have same exponent and index. Therefore, the cube root and then the cube will cancel each other out. Final answer, x is equal to 101 times 6, and that is equal to 606. Therefore, the correct answer is letter A. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, GTR Math Tutorial, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for my new uploads. And then follow me on my Facebook, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.